ekenekwa nke onye mana ege ntị tupu anyị aga n'iru n'ụbọchị nke taata tupu anyị aga n'iru ka unu nụ okwu nji wee bịa na nekenenu this video.
4 days ago or 5 days ago, I posted this thing on my page that Akwa reported my videos for intellectual property earlier this year. A lot of you were like, Ebonyi, you are lying, you edited it. Even this Ishoko, Ishopanka, Ushudu, this boy Ishia the Kishin Kape, Olodo TV, put on our Facebook, it's edited. Listen to this voice note. Even Ogechi Kunjaka, put on our Facebook, it's edited. Listen to this voice note first before you know whether I edited it or not. Let's go.
When big up that boy, she let us man up there. It was yesterday, prophet very picture. More when I email you may have more to follow the password. More delete the email because I don't know one day our prophet that we preach in Bible. It's what can now go. Not up on that boy, I got you.
I don't hear them, Abi. Now look on Akwa voice be here. Or no, bro, Akwa voice be here, Abi. I they lie. Now let me tell you. If a Facebook report your page for intellectual property, they send you notification that somebody reported their videos. If you use my video now to analyze one or two things on Facebook or my picture, I have the right to report your video for intellectual property. Facebook will send you notification that so person reported your page for intellectual property. They will also send you an email. Then they will tell you you can still resolve this issue if you plead with that person and the person wrote email to them back. They can still resolve it for you. So when I received the message that Akwa reported my page, and I wrote an email to Akwa Siabiko do anyway, remove this thing. I am sorry. To know if he can remove it. Can remember when we church mine? I sent the thing to my big boss. My big boss reached out to him. And that was the reason why Akwa made this voice note. Simba, this boy, God told me not to forgive him. No man, now the password of the email, no to forget the password of the email we made the thing. If now the password of the email made that thing, no to forget that thing. Now God told him not to forgive. And no man, one day now that day Bukobi will come to preach Bible for him. This if now somebody put on where a child of God and God told him not to forgive. Did you hear him? A week after he reported Kane Palace of Justice page, he reported my own. Makunu and I said, but his son, this thing is edited. Now don't hear him that the password of the email which he made that not to forget that thing. So Makunu and I said, but his son, you are trying to do this, you are trying to do this. Now don't see him, now don't hear him. Now because I will report the page. Making the rest. All these people now future online name me church. Fear them, oh. Fear them.
Now, I'm going to go this video, man. Again, I can go on. This Ebonyi son anụ ị na-achọ ezigbote okwu. Mmụọ njisi na-achọ okwu. Afụgo m ka isi wee kpalịa Olodo TV, kpọlichacha ya tifuti ya kpọlịa ya because a na-akọlụ gị aka sị Ebonyi son ị na-enye woto. A na-akọlụ gị aka. One thing you have to know that whenever you ndị mma na-akọlụ gị aka na-asị gị ride on, that is when you have to make it retire to your tent, O Israel, because now you will fall for the applause of men. If I can't ndị na-akọlụ gị, that is when you have to make it fall for it. Secondly, if you post a voice note and it has nothing to do with you, that voice note you post to, it has nothing to do with you in any way. It's any post now the voice note to Akwa say now not to now the password to the email or you. So which means now how many email accounts are they linked to on Facebook? For him now because now I feel when Facebook account with 10 emails. And you what is that I say now more than on social media no be. What are you saying? Okay, no report to the account, get two-way email now, two-way password to the email. Makanada di very preach really maka repentance. That voice note you play has nothing to do with your account. Or invading of privacy, Kobo. Invading of privacy. I'm not kissing with here. I'm not maybe see with your man. I'm that in the beginning. You invaded somebody's privacy. And there's a punishment for it. Makande mmadụ na-apụta na comment section na asị ride on ndị ụka jikọwa eme nka ndị ụka jikọwa eme nke ọzọ. onwe ihe na-achọ ịgwa unu, forget about okwu anụnwa a na-ekwu. Let us focus on the bone of contention here. Na that post is getting edited. Ọ bụ na ọ dụrụ edited, kee ka this post na nke anụnwa dịkwa ebe a si weda bụ n'ofu. The same line ka akali ya, the same thing ka emela na ha na-abụ. I postuo ya, mana onwe ihe ndị mmadụ na marọ. Let me tell you, if you are saying another voice, because this is what you said in that voice, now that post I hear, you send the email to somebody that transferred and reached Akwa. Where is that email he sent? He provided that email with the date. He provided their date, age, report to account again. You go post that email and that conversation he sent again at somebody where it was easy to reach Akwa. Post that conversation, post the email. Send then you post a reply the person again. Nwere onye bụ ewu na social media no, but mala amala na ị na-achọ ezigbote okwu. Mala amala na gịnị mere ihe ị na-eme bụ ezigbote okwu ka ị na-achọ. I'm seeing it to enjoy the popular by all means. It's already popular. It's already popular because if you go your arrest many times, enwere onye chọọ ịtọpụrụ gị ọnụ. If you go your arrest, that is why how can somebody be supporting you for if you your arrest? But you may pon na pondo can arrange. Or the same thing how can somebody back you up post you say I know fully well that you are the one that implicated yourself just because you're naturally trend. You hide your own again. Naturally trend. You may get kids or walk, you may keep walk. This guy go Ochijoke say na eze na-achị obodo mgbe ọ bụla pụtasị obodo nekwa na agụ ndị obodo gbapụta nwere agụ afọ everyday nekwa na agụ mgbe ọsị dị me na agụ pụtazi n'eti ndị mmadụ na agụ ndị mmadụ ekwere apụta dadị agụ ahụ wee jide eze wee megide wee dọgbue ọ bụla eze na-aghọle gịnị ndị ọ na-achị. Be careful, Ebonyi son, be very 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 careful. Yotago, everything has consequences. Everything obuna mmadụ na-eme n'ụwa has consequence. Go and post that any avenue obuna unu nwetụ na-eweli amegi na unu kpọrọ ya ndị ụka, kpọrọ ya Christianity. Atagi ya na onye si na ọ bụ born again, onye si na ọ na-eme gị na ọ na-eje ụka that he doesn't want to forgive. Now let me brief people. Ihe anụ unu na-afụ n'ebe a na Facebook say that they can never on no account show you somebody report to your page. Na ha na-keep ya gịnị confidential. Go and use your phone now. Check kima na Facebook on egosi account mmadụ. Ngo report la report ya di confidential. Ngo report la report ya di confidential. It's a two-way something, end-to-end encryption. It's a two-way something. Onye ọbụla nwere gịnị a right to his own privacy. Onye ahụ nwere right to his own gịnị privacy. You show those things to prove yourself innocent. Mana mala amali na-achọ okwu. Yeah, in a meganable automatically in a joke, and you know you are lying. You know that Guinea, you are lying. Let me tell you where you have implicated yourself now. That voice note. With so many Akwa fake page. No. They may see it no fake Akwa page. But you go play a voice note here, but I confirm what's in them mother or no voice note Akwa here. Or no boro voice Akwa ya o jigo si na agba emegene na na-achọ okwu ị na-achọ gịnị mbado okwu. But hear this and hear it well, and for the people now support again, let them not be so daft. Let them go and make their research. Ogo na Facebook na identify na megene identify when you report to the account of mother, that is when people will win. When ogo na Facebook at that report ade go so mother on your report, let us remove hatred aside and do what is right for once. And do what is right for once. In a violate the privacy mad, and you are lying against somebody. You are lying and you are cyberbullying somebody. Now worry home again. Ebonyi son and your people now support again. Be very, very, very careful. Ekuchakwa mko ham non. Oya mote here, ya ha mote here, ya happier. Man, all these things soon mena. Every day for the thief. Every day is for the thief. But one day, because some boge yellow. Asewagi akwa nwande akwa ndo Ebonyi ibie akwa nke anụnwa akwa ndo Igbo akwa ndo asịrị na nobody will call you to order now. Nobody will call you to order. Wagina, you are trespassing. You are doing ebe na aga uza hadiri ya si eba pota. Ebe na aga uza hadiri ya si that place pota. But you will not hear now. Boy I hear said kucha kwa manona kwa kunsa don kucha unu eswipụ ya under the carpet maka o mere n'izu o mee n'ọnwa ka ọ dịnụ.